Hey guys, it's me Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting, and I want to show you how you can use a stunning straight edge mini-me ruler with a handle to get around applique with ease. So we're going to use this ruler as an extension of our hand. You're going to see that there's a couple things that have to go into play to make this easier for you to use. First thing being, I need to be able to have a little bit of flexibility with how I can maneuver my hand. You can see that the ruler is kind of sliding and gliding around as I'm quilting. So I've got pressure on it to keep that ruler foot from going past where I want it to go. But in order to do that, I have to make sure that this ruler doesn't have any kind of ruler grip on it. So that allows it to kind of slide around without messing up the quilt or the applique as the ruler is moving around. And then next, I want to make sure that I just have a good line of sight and I'm able to use it as an extension of my hand to safely maneuver the needle around the applique with ease. So it's just allowing that quilting foot to not go past the quilting applique or off onto the side of the quilt, so that way I can make sure that I'm stitching closer into the ditch. The ruler just allows me to keep the needle safely where I want it to be. This is such a wonderful ruler to have. You can get it for either right-handed or left-handed people. You can find it in a link on this video, or you can go to boldnotionquilting.com and check the ruler section for all the awesome rulers that we have for free motion quilters. This is one of the best tools. It'll be your best friend to have in your toolbox because it makes getting around any applique, not just this contemporary easy applique, but even traditional needle turn circles and stuff like that make it very easy to get around. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Happy quilting. Bye.